before stock taillight on my Harley Davidson 2021 Road Glide Limited. I got to do something about it. The big honking halogen regular taillight. Welcome to the channel. Today I want to replace my stock halogen taillight on my 2021 Road Glide Limited. All right. Yeah, the big red plastic honking fucking taillight. Gotta get rid of it. So I reached out to Eagle Lights and they sent me a new taillight for me to review. Link will be in the description below, and if you use that link, you'll get 15% off your entire order if you choose to purchase anything from Eagle Lights. It's a great deal. Check them out. So let's see what they sent me. Part number 8900TL7S, Eagle Lights. All right. On every one of their products, you can go on their website and you can download their instructions. All right. But this is a simple taillight. All right. Open it up. Comes with a new foam gasket. So I got a smaller, blacked out version. This is the Halo one. So peel this off here. All right. So if you can see, there's a halo around here. And there's some dots in here. These would be red. This is also integrated turn signals. A lot of people don't use that. They just plug this in. This is just plug and play right into your old, regular plug. And then there's a couple wires here, extra wires here. One of these is the yellow wire, and a blue wire, I think it is your left and right turn signals. So I'll have to figure out which is which, because I didn't look at the instructions. It does not come with new screws, so you will have to use your new screws. Okay? I mean, new screws, but it does not come with new screws, so you will have to use your existing screws. So this is a low profile, laid back. Okay? And it still has a light right here to go on your license plate. All right. Take you over to the bike and take the other one off. All right. Let's take off the old tail light. All it is Phillips head screw. Two Phillips head screws. That's it. Take the plug out. There we go. Keep your two screws because you'll need them. And then just wipe this down, clean this up. So the next thing we got to do is put on our gasket. Yeah, just put it on as good as you can. All right. Peel the backing off. Here's what it is. We'll see how it goes. All right. Good enough. Then you take your plug, you plug it in right here. Okay. Now this has integrated signals, left and right. Yellow is your right and blue is your left. It just comes with a bare wire. Now, this little section here and this little section here, this is your right and this is your left. Off of Amazon, I purchased turn signal adapter plugs. They look like this. Okay, here's the plug. Comes in a pair, and you got a red and black wire. We're only going to use the one, the red wire. All you do is plug one in. Okay, plug the other one in. Okay, the part number for these, I got these off Amazon. The part number for these is 30-0400. Okay, it's from K&S. You can If you just do a search, K&S turn signal adapters, you'll find these. You can get it cheaper other places, but I was doing an Amazon order, so I ordered these off Amazon. Link for this will also be in the description below. Now I need to splice this wire into here and then into here. So let me get the adapters that I just bought. I just ran to. Okay, I just bought. I was at Walmart, so I just bought a package of these snap connectors. This is a little package. It has multiple sizes. So I'm just going to use the small ones and crimp them on. Okay.
A few moments later.
Okay, change of plans. The little snap plugs that I was going to use to plug into here don't work. I couldn't. This wire is too thin for me to use it. So I decided to use a couple Wagos. Just take the wire, you stick it in one end, and then I'm going to cut the end off of this red wire and stick it in to the side and connect the wires. So the Wagos, I'll leave a description, I'll leave a link in the description below, in my description below, in case you want to check those out too. So I'm just going to cut these off. I'm going to cut the black one off too. So the red wire is the one that I need. And all you do is just pop open one of these. Pop one open, stick the wire in, close it down. Nice and tight. So I'm going to take the black wire and I'm going to twist it back and just tape it up on both of these. Okay. Okay, like I said, yellow wire is the left side and that goes right here. So you just take the plug and you plug it in. The blue one, plug it in. And that's it. I'm going to stick these right in there. So I'm going to tidy up this a little bit. And you put the two screws back in. But I'm going to tie up this wire here so it's a little bit more easier to put the lights back in. And I'll be back. All right. So you take your two, so I got the wires all tied together here with a zip tie. Well, with a, what do you call it? Bread tie or whatever. Shorten up. Got everything in here. Let's see if we can get this together here. So I think your best bet is to take the top of the light, put it in here because it's a little snug fit. It doesn't fit like the old one. So put the top in, and because you got all these wires too. So all right, let's try this. Tops in. All right. There, it's all on. Now let's turn the lights off and check it out. All right, let's turn the lights on. So you got a little ring here. And then you got your license plate light. Now let's do the brake. And then the center should light up. The boom. And the orange lights up too. Right signal. Left signal. All right, what do you think? There you go. Now, I think the smoke is starting to look good with my smoke things here. The filler lights. I like the smoked out look better. All right, that's the end of my video. I'd like to thank Eagle Lights for sending me this new tail light. One little issue, trying to fit the tail light back on. It is a little tight fit. I was worried I was going to crack it because it doesn't quite fit in there like the original tail light. You have to play with it to get it in there, but it looks good now. I got it in there. We'll see how there's a small gap between, the tail light and the framework for the fender there, for the tail light there on the fender. We'll see if I have any issues, if it gets wet or anything. You can't really tell unless you're up on it, but we'll have to see how it goes. But anyway, I like the looks of it. I like the way, it's smoked out, matches the rest of my, the lights I'm going for here, Anyway, like I said, link will be in the description below, Eagle Lights. Use my link and you get 15% off your entire order. I'd like to thank Eagle Lights again. What do you think? Leave a comment below. And if you're not a subscriber, hit that subscribe button and smash that like. And we'll see you in the next video. Thanks. Bye.